In the last video, we have seen how to make a digital thermometer using Arduino, and we have displayed the temperature in the LCD display. In this video, we are going to add a cooling fan with this thermometer. So let's get started. In the previous video, we have seen this circuit. Now to add a cooling fan, we are using D6 pin. With this pin, we have to connect an 100 ohm resistor, and it is connected to a transistor. It is NPN transistor. Collector of the transistor is connected to plus 5 volt, and with the emitter, we have to connect the fan, means motor, and the other side of the fan is connected to the ground. And across the fan we have to connect a freewheeling diode because it has coil. This is the negative pin of the fan and positive pin of the fan. And I am using BD139 transistor. It is NPN transistor. So this is the modification for this circuit. Now we'll see the practical circuit. This one is BD139 and these are the pins. In the last video we have connected up to this. Now in this video we will put the BD139 transistor. Here this one is base, it is collector and the emitter. The collector is connected with plus 5 volt. So we have to connect this rail. 100 ohms resistor is connected with base of the transistor, and this base resistor is connected to D6 of Arduino. Also connect the negative rail, connect the diode in this place. Anode pin is connected with negative rail and cathode pin is connected to emitter of the transistor. Now connect the fan. Positive pin of the fan is connected with emitter and negative pin of the fan is connected with negative rail. And I have connected a 100 microfarad capacitor across the power supply. This capacitor is to reduce the noise in the circuit. Connection is completed, and also I have uploaded the program. Now I am connecting the 5 volt power supply. Here it is positive and the negative. Now my room temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. Now see this, above 25 degree it will start to spinning. It is at low speed and you can see the speed percentage. After 60 degree, it will rotate at full speed. According to the program, when the temperature is above 25 degree, then the fan will start to rotate, and when the temperature is at 60 degree, then the fan will rotate at full speed. Now it is 25 degree, near to 25 degree. Below 25 means it will stop. above 25 means it will start. It is started. So this is how this circuit works. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.